Welcome back to Smart Tool Group. My name's Sam and today we're going to take a look at the long reach Fang hardwood blade. This blade has a cutting width of 32mm and a cutting depth of 67mm, allowing you to make deep, precise cuts into hardwood. Let's check out what it can do. So as you just saw, this blade cuts through hardwood like a hot knife through butter. If you're working in older houses with lots of hardwood, grab one of these blades from your nearest hardware store. It will make your job so much easier. Thank you for watching and don't forget to check back in for more videos.